Assalamu alaikum friends, today we will discuss how to give copyright tag on YouTube. Open any browser, sign in your YouTube account, click notifications. Shaem downloaded my YouTube video and uploaded it on his YouTube channel. YouTube sent me notification for that. Click notifications. My video is uploaded from this channel. I will give him a copyright strike now. Click request video remove. Our first step is complete. Select affected party, myself. Then type relationship to copyright content owner. Then type name of copyright owner. Then select your country. Then type phone number. Then type street address. Then type your city. Then type secondary email address. Then type state. Type zip code. Our second step are complete. The second option is that no time will be given. I will select the second option because I visit his YouTube channel, all his video copyright. Check mark this option. Tick mark this option. Then tick mark all options. Here enter your name. If everything is filled correctly, now click submit. After submitting this, mail came from YouTube. After some time, another mail came from YouTube. Check if the video with copyright strike is now on YouTube. You can see the video has been removed. Thanks for watching.